Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate chatbot skill are not showing for new IBM Watson user. Once you logged in, you can see the welcome page for IBM Watson. So here I have BMC company access in IBM. Go to the resource list to see the instance associated. Once it is loaded, I can see BMC IT Watson Dev Premium instance associated to my profile. Click to launch instance. To see the chatbot skill associated, we have to click Launch Watson Assistant. When I click Launch Watson Assistant, it will not show any chatbot skill linked with the instance. Instead, it will show the page to create first Watson Assistant. To see the default chatbot skill associated with the instance, you have to switch to Classic Experience. Let me show you how to move to Classic Experience. Click Manage icon and then click Switch to Classic Experience. So it will ask you a dialog box and then click I would like to switch. Then click Continue. Choose an option and then click Continue. Once I switch to Classic Experience, I can see the list of skills associated with the BMC IT instance. Thanks for watching this video.